Hi, Stallions! Today you are going to ideate ways that you can help solve the problem in Miles' Moon Mystery Task. Do you remember what the problem is in our task? Merc, his robotic bird, is afraid of the dark, and so are others. How can you help teach others not to be afraid of the dark? Miles noticed that the moon changes size and sometimes even completely disappears. Can you teach others more about the moon so that they are not afraid of the dark? What can you do? What are your ideas? Be creative. Write your name on the paper, and there are 3 boxes where you can draw or write words to tell what your idea is on how you can help solve Miles' Moon mystery. Have fun, Stallions!